Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Doing another micro artisan. This is episode... Oh, I'm not going to say what episode because I can't remember, but it'll be in the title. I think 8, but I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's 8. We'll see. Anyway, so today we're using one I found that I was really excited about. Now, it's another glycerin-based soap. Nothing wrong with that at all. I know y'all are probably kind of tired of getting... Trust me, they're not all glycerin. I have plenty of croaks and tubs coming up, I promise you. I just really wanted to try this one out because the scent I'm using today really intrigued me. This is Humphrey's Handmade. They're out of Johnstown, Ohio. They have 23,114 sales with 5 stars on Etsy. They also have a website, which I just discovered today. I didn't realize that. I found them on Etsy, and I noticed their website today as I was getting my notes together. So, guys, they have an amazing amount of scents. On the website, you can find a full list of all their scents, and they have products for women, products for men. They've got stuff all over the place. I'm going to read a little blurb from their website. Welcome to Humphrey's Handmade. We are a Ohio family that is proud to offer handcrafted beard oil, shave soaps, beard wash, candles, body wash, cologne, and more. Look no further for quality products that are made in Ohio, USA. Dude, they have tons of products from soaps, washes, shampoos, candles, wax melts, wearables, and man, they've got some crazy scent names. I'm talking crazy. Just go look at their website for a laugh, honestly. Today, some of the ones I bought, actually, I'm going to show you. I picked one up called Bigfoot. These are some really nice sized pucks. These are going to last quite a while. The one I thought I was going to use, but I changed my mind, was this one called Yippee-ki-yay. I want to complete that sentence, but really looking forward to trying this one as well. I picked some that I really thought I would enjoy. The one we're using today is called Skinwalker. Now, this one is a complex mix of wild cypress, ozone, macrut lime, sea salt, oud, elemi, leather, amber, ocean moss, and frankincense. Yes, all that is right up my alley. Let's move that over. Another micro artisan that we're going to talk about today is Rad Dinosaur Creations. They are a brand new brush maker. I noticed them on Etsy or on Instagram, and I went to their Etsy and I immediately purchased a brush. And it turns out I was their very first Etsy customer. That made me feel neat. So they're out of Massachusetts, currently have 7 sales with 5 stars. He is a great guy to chat with. I've talked to him a few times. So here's the brush. Man, this knot I chose to get. I just bought the brush only. I set a knot myself. I have purchased since then a second brush, and he does have like the Pure Bliss and G5s and G5Cs and stuff like that. So he's got some really good knots. This one though, here's the brush. This brush, I don't know if this camera's going to do it justice. It's really shimmery and translucent. And here's the coin. Rad Dinosaur Creations. This is a 28 millimeter 70-30 Badger Boar mix from Maggard's. I've never had a mix. I've always wanted one, so I finally picked one up. I've had it soak in here for a little bit. Probably needs to soak a little bit more. Let's get some more water in here because it's kind of drank some of it up. So not really sure how well this brush is going to perform. This is the first time using it, and I just soaked it. I just set it a couple days ago. So yeah, we've got a couple artisans. So I'm going to get things set up here, and we're going to pull this out of the bag. Give this a sniff. Oh, that's nice. Definitely woody right off the puck. Yeah, that cypress is nice. Let's get this card off. There we go. And we're going to pop it into my, this is a vintage Surrey Cadillac mug. Fits perfect in there. So let's get this moved. All right. I'm using today the stainless steel. This was just re-released. The stainless steel Ascension Twist from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. This comes with a handle with the bomb tip. I switched out the handle because I like the flare tip better. And I'm using the lime green flare tip to go with the green soap puck. This this double open comb is an amazing razor. We're going to be doing a head shave today, and that's the first shave I did with this razor, and it was super smooth. I'm using a first use Kai in that. So let's pull this brush out and see if it's ready to make a lather. All right, here we go. I'm just going with a damp brush to start. And I might need a little bit more water. I'm going to put a little bit more on the tips. Boy, this thing holds a ton of water, geez. I normally don't go for such big knots, but that's what this one was drilled out to, and so I decided to take advantage and try this Badger Boar mix. I do like Badger. I do like boar knots. I've mentioned that before. Let's get this loaded up. I think I put a little too much water there. Let's get some of this out. That lime is really poking out now. All right, let's see what we got going. Take the glasses off. Get the head wet. Did I fling that up on my head? Jeez, I'm gonna have to go back and see that. All right, here we go. God, this brush is so big. Ooh, losing hairs. Boy, losing a lot of hairs. I probably should have played with this brush before I used it in a video, right? Well, that was a ton of hairs poking out. I'll probably be shaving over some brush hairs. Wow, I had this in some really hot water, and when I splayed it, the core of this brush was very warm. Definitely going to need some more water. But it is lathering quite nice already. This brush is so big. There's more hairs coming out. I don't think I've had one shed so bad before. All over. New brush. All right, let's get a little bit of water on here. Sorry, I'm watching this lather, and I'm also watching this brush because I'm making sure I'm not leaving a trail of hairs, brush hairs all over in this lather from what I can see. All right, I'm gonna go for that. Still a ton in this brush. Let's get the razor warmed up and wet. Here we go. So I have a couple announcements to make too. I meant to make them before I started here. One is Adopted Acres will have a restock tomorrow, well today, I'm filming this on Saturday, so Sunday, and they're going to be adding some new items, such as some bar soaps. Now these are going to be more of a feminine scent from what I'm being told, but wonderful gift ideas. Valentine's Day is coming up, fellas. Soaps are always a good add-on gift to whatever else you're getting your special someone for Valentine's Day, ladies and gentlemen. So check that out. The other announcement is tonight, I believe 6:30 Central, if I'm not mistaken, check Instagram. I will be doing a live with Philip Sharp, Brett Hilton, and Daniel Mahoney on Instagram. And one thing that might entice you to go there is what's in this box. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss the beast that's in this box. hopefully that's enticing enough to come check this out. All right, set that out of the way. Man, this razor is so smooth. Again, I've got so many wonderfully smooth razors. I mean, all the razors I buy, I enjoy. Just the ones I don't reach for are the ones I let go. I mean, they've all been wonderful performers. Just some are a little smoother or more efficient than others. It doesn't mean I don't like them. It doesn't mean I didn't use them. I just didn't use them much. So I'm starting to thin the herd on the ones I don't reach for. I say to clear the den. All I'm really doing is making room for new razors or new soaps when I do that, right? I'm not going to lie to myself. That's exactly what I'm doing, right? This soap is good. It's very good. I'm going to use it again in the morning. Very nice. Let's see where we're at. A little bit on this side. Still plenty of residual slickness. I don't need to add any. It's really good. It's good soap. The scent is wonderful. It's light, but it's really nice. Now, they didn't really have any aftershave splashes, but what I did find on their website were body sprays in the same scent. You can get pretty much all the stuff in the same scent. But what I did order with this was scented perfume oils. So I've got the one for Skinwalker here. I'm going to wear it after I finish this shave. And I'll do what I normally do. I'll put a unscented balm on my head. That's what I normally use on my head. A little bit right up here. There we go. All right, I'm going to turn around. Get the back. I'm going to turn around so you can see because I can't. There we go. So you probably noticed my metal sign right there. It showed up just in time. I ordered that from Amazon. And the day that it delivered, I had broke the picture frame I normally have there. And it shattered. It fell off the wall because I just had it hanging on those two hooks. It was just kind of balanced on top of those two hooks. And it fell off finally and the glass broke. So I'm going to have to get a new picture frame so I can keep that going. But until that time, we've got the sign there. And remember, fellas and ladies, what happens in the barbershop stays in the barbershop. So do me a favor and check out Humphrey's. Just take a look at all the names of their soaps if you want. Get a good laugh. And reach out to Rad Dinosaur Designs and check out his Etsy. He's got some new brushes up. And I saw he's been turning some other new ones. Those will probably be up pretty soon. Some of them are really unique and others are more traditional. But some really nice ones up there. I can't wait for my second one to come in. It's a really nice kind of maroonish purple bottom, and the ferrule is kind of a reddish sunset orange on the top. It's really nice. I'm sure it's going to look even better in person. Let me go a little bit this direction here. There we go. All right. All right, I'm going to get a rinse, come back up for my final thoughts. All right, that was good. Very good. Geez, I probably could have rinsed a little better, huh? So, Humphrey's Handmade, it's good stuff. I'm actually going to be placing another order. I want to try the body sprays because I do like these scents, and there's quite a few other scents that intrigue me. Give me 1 second here. I'll rinse this brush out. Sorry, I should have done this while I was on the break there. Just want to rinse it off so I can show it again. There we go. Quite a few other scents, as I was saying, and some really intrigue me. And in case some of you want to know, there are about 4 of the micro artisans, some that I haven't even done a video on yet, that I've already placed. Oh, no, actually there's 6 that I've already placed second orders for. because I really enjoyed the product already. None of these I've shaved before. Every video is my first shave with these products. It's just some of the flanker products I got I would try out, like just to get the scent, and really enjoyed it. And then I finally discovered later that they have some other products that go along with. So yeah, I've already been a returning customer to about 6 of these companies so far. Like I said, I have 35 companies lined up that I've bought products for already. So this is going on. And thank you, all of you that have given me suggestions for some of these micro artisans. I've used them and I've purchased from them. And those will be coming up. In fact, the next one is going to be one that Lathered Yeti told me about it. That'll be in the next video. So, Rad Dinosaur, making some really, really nice brushes. I love that coin. Geez, with that dinosaur foot and everything. It's not what I'm reviewing, but I'm going to have to, well, it's bloomed out some, huh? I'm going to have to break that in a bit and get all those hairs loose. I didn't feel any on my head when I was shaving. I didn't see any. I think I caught them all and pulled them out. But I guess they're not that big, and with the mix, it probably happens. I don't know. It's my first mix knot. Let's get a little, you know what? I'm going to put a little, no, I want something unscented. Sorry, I can't decide. I'm going to put a little star jelly on my head. A little unscented that I always keep right there. Mentholated. Another thing to mention, if you're still watching, I meant to mention this at the beginning also, is, and I think I mentioned it in my last video, I will be attending the Arizona meetup on February 22nd. I will be there. I hope to see some of you there. I'll also be attending and I'm helping with the Texas meetup in March 22nd. And I do have plans to make it to the Maggards meetup the following month after the Texas meetup in April, I believe is when it is. So yeah, it's going to be a busy 3 months coming up. A lot of traveling. So, all right, guys, please do me a favor. Check these companies out. Check out Adopted Acres on their new drop. There's a new scent coming soon too. Go check out Colonel Mully over at Mully Shaves to find out more about that. And but check out Humphrey's Handmade and check out Rad Dinosaur Creations, please, and tell them a Texan Shave sent you. Just let them know where you heard about them, and I'm gonna put together a giveaway pretty soon, a multiple winner giveaway, because a lot of these I bought, like this one I bought more than one because the prices were so good. And so some of these that I have extras of, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna give away some of these micro artisans. I'm probably gonna wait till I've got about maybe 15 of these under the belt video wise. So look forward to that. I'll be doing that pretty soon, and I'm gonna do a giveaway of some of these micro artisan products. And all right, guys, that's it. Find your peace in what and where you can. Watch the live tonight, please, and find out what's in that box. You're not gonna want to miss it. We'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves. Goodbye.